Wind turbine. The wind turbine produces electricity around Denmark, and I am working on that company. It's called Wind Power. Usually, yung mga electricity nila dito is under the ground. Wala pong nakahang na electric sa taas. Kaya malinis ang. So ito rin ang one of the resources ng electricity sa Denmark, di ba? Bye-bye.